Hi guys, this is gsnhome.com and I'm here with the unboxing of the Nokia 8.1, also known in some territories as the Nokia X7. So here we are. It was launched in December. It's an Android One phone, which means clean and clear Android with fast updates. And let's see what it's all about. It's a high mid-range phone this time. Should be priced at around $370 on Amazon or even $400. Let's open up this piece of plastic and see the actual phone. Voila, this is it. It's got glass at the back, it's got glass at the front, and a metal frame that's supposed to have a sort of Swiss knife vibe from what I'm getting here. Also reminds me of the edge of a PlayStation Vita or the PSP. That's the vibe I'm getting. Nice metal integration. Okay, and the same accents are found in the area of the fingerprint scanner, the dual camera. So this is the Nokia 8.1 or the Nokia X7, launched in December 2018. We have it here for unboxing. So let's proceed and see what's inside the box. Okay, so first of all, obviously, you have the metal key used to access the slots. Then we got the manuals, which are pretty hefty, and lots of trees were cut down for that. Not good. Hopefully you get some digital manuals in the future. And here in the box, we have the usual accessories. Okay, so we got a pair of headphones which feel and look pretty typical. It's the standard affair compared to what you're seeing with other Nokia mid-rangers. So these are the headphones. I also see some extra plugs here for various ear sizes. And this here is the USB Type-C cable, which is hooked up to the phone. USB Type-C to full USB, and it's hooked up to the charger, not only to the phone. Okay, there's something else here. And that's it. Okay, the charger I kept mentioning, as far as I know, should have some special charging. I've been hearing stuff about many watts here. Here we go. This is the charger, branded Nokia. It promises 5 volts 3 ampere, 9 volts 2 ampere, 12 volts 1.5 amperes, and 18 watts or something like that, or close to it. I'm going to look into it. So that's everything available inside the box. Okay, so time to fire up the phone. I cannot get over this frame. It's pretty interesting. So the phone comes with a clean Android. It measures 8 millimeters in thickness, weighs 180 grams, and it's got a 6.18-inch screen of the Full HD Plus resolution. This is actually our first contact with a Snapdragon 710 CPU phone. It comes in versions with 4 GB of RAM, 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, 120 GB of storage, and a microSD card slot. There's a 3500 mAh battery and 18-watt fast charging. I'm going to select English, and here we go, straight towards Android Pie. Here we go. Pretty minuscule elements, the ones I'm pressing on the screen. Okay, more. Skip, have a fingerprint scanner at the back side. Taking a while to set up. Now, if you're wondering about the cameras, here we have a 20 megapixel shooter for the selfies, which sounds pretty impressive. And this is the beautiful background, fiery red. And we're dealing here with good old Android Pie, which means that if we're going to multitask, we're going to do it in a different way with the windows that are disposed like that. Okay, so it's clearly Android Pie. I didn't finish the specs, so 20 megapixel for the front camera, and at the back side a combo of 12 and 13 megapixels. The 12 megapixel shooter has optical image stabilization. You can see here Zeiss optics and a powerful LED flash, and the fingerprint scanner below them. We also have LTE category 6. We have a USB Type-C port at the bottom side, and also the audio jack at the top in case you were worried about it. There's voice over LTE, there's voice over Wi-Fi, there's Wi-Fi ABGN and Wi-Fi AC, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, OZO sound, and Android One for fast updates in the future. As usual, I'm going to take you through the camera. I'm pretty curious because I have yet to see, if I remember correctly, a Nokia phone with Android Pie. Things haven't changed very much, camera interface wise. I see that we're getting picture-in-picture and all that. We're also getting a timer, getting a flash, a bunch of other options here. Scene detection, auto HDR, shutter control, grade resolution, preset, and there is a time-lapse, slow motion, video. I'm confident we can shoot 4K, photo, pro, bit of a lag here, live bokeh, which is basically your portrait shot, panorama, and square. So I don't want to talk out of school. I'm going to look into the video thing to see if we can actually shoot 4K or not. Yep, 4K is available. Okay, so that's about it. This is the first contact with the Nokia 8.1, aka the Nokia X7 mid-range phone. I would even call it a high mid-range phone, but let's stick with mid-range this time. Pretty premium looking. I love the metal frame and the way it looks. We'll be back with a full review very soon, and this is the first contact with a Snapdragon 710 CPU phone. From gsnhome.com, bye bye.